Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Erin.
Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So I have Alex with me for our second video together. If you guys missed it, actually just yesterday I posted the vlog from like 2 months ago that you guys have been waiting to see, where I vlogged with him for the first time. So for today's video we're going to do more of like a formal sit down, and instead of doing the boyfriend tag, I thought it would be more fun to do a challenge video. I'm quizzing him on beauty products. Do you think you're going to do well?
No, not at all.
Really?
But you never know.
Well, he does have a sister, and he's with me a lot, so he might be at an advantage. So if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, then you know that every season I do a video with FabFitFun. So I just got their fall box in, and to switch it up a little bit, because normally I just like go through the box on my own and I show you guys the product and I use it, I figured that we would have Alex go through the box and try to guess what everything is. So in case you guys aren't familiar with FabFitFun, it's a seasonal subscription box. So you get beauty products, lifestyle products, sometimes fitness stuff. So as you guys will see, you get a lot of product in here. Everything is full size. The value for the boxes is normally like $300, but if you're new, you can just use my discount code and get $10 off of your first box. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and quiz Alex boy over here and see how much he knows or doesn't know about beauty products.
Probably more than I don't know.
I don't know. I think you're gonna do decently. So the first thing that I took out of the box is the so I'm not actually gonna say what the products are. I'm gonna like show you guys what it is, and we're gonna let Alex like read it and try to guess what it is.
All right, looks like we got the Better Skin Co. Lava Magic
So what do you think that is?
face cream, or something that you put on your face, like people put black stuff and green stuff on it. Is that?
Do you want me to open it? Do you want to see what it looks like?
Sure. Was that close at all?
Yeah.
Okay.
It might be sealed. Oh. You got a spatula.
Yeah.
Do you use spatulas for face creams?
No, I just lather up in the morning and that's it. Ooh, it looks like ice cream.
Does it smell like ice cream?
No.
So what do you think it is? That's your final guess? A face cream?
Well, yeah, that you exfoliate with or whatever, right?
So
put those clay masks on or whatever.
Yeah, okay, so this is the Better Skin Co. Lava Magic Cleanser, Scrub, and Mask. Alright, so this is the next one. I'm going to take it out of the box at least so he can see it. Alright,
so we have Aromatherapy, Associates London, Deep Relax. I'm going to say this is just a room spray. It's like you spray in your room, I don't know.
Open it up.
Is it perfume? It's got a ball on the top.
So what do you do with it?
I don't know, press on it?
Press on it, see what happens. Nope, nothing happens. Oh, you figured it out! It's a roller ball!
Yeah, you draw with it.
Sort of.
Is it gonna make me fall asleep?
So what's your final guess on what that is?
Well, aromatherapy, I feel like has something to do with sleep. So, sleeping liquid, I don't know.
Sleeping liquid? This is a relaxing like roller ball with essential oils in it.
Oh, okay.
So you just put it like on your wrist or something. A lot of people do this if they get really stressed out or tense, or like
okay.
Probably if you have like headaches or something, it would help with that too.
Alright, we've got Avita's Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair.
So what do you do with that?
I mean, I guess you put it through your hair like hair lotion. And then like fix whatever you need to, because it says it protects from heat styling, so I would think you put it on before you curl your hair or straighten it, right?
Wait, so what did you say you do with it?
You put it on like as like hair lotion, and then you...
Wet or dry?
Ooh, that's a good question. I'm gonna go with while it's wet.
Yeah.
Because then once it dries, then you can go about your styling business.
Cute. That's good.
Yeah.
You're doing pretty good so far. I feel like you need to do this a different way.
What, with harder stuff?
Yeah, I feel like I might have to throw in some harder things at the end of this video.
Uh-oh, curveballs.
Next thing.
Exfoliating sugar cubes. So either you, I'm gonna guess you melt these in water or whatever, and then you rub it on your face, or it's like a bath bomb cube.
Bath bomb cube?
You know what I mean? It's in the shape. Well, because usually they come in those big circles or spheres. And I don't know, am I close?
So you just rub it on your skin to exfoliate, so Cube, you're doing good. Also, our nickname for each other is Cube.
And QB.
QB. You guys have seen you guys have seen the Jelly Belly pet rat video?
It's the G-Lie B-Lie.
The G-Lie B-Lie Peach Rat Kumai can die. The G-Lie B-Lie Peach Rat Kumai can die. Next product. What do you think this is, QB?
Really cool bottle design, I will say. That's pretty cool. Cream souffle.
So what is that?
It says it's for your pores, so I'm gonna guess it's like a face cream.
It doesn't say it's for your pores.
Yeah, it says pour le corpse.
Yeah, that's French for your body.
Oh. Well, okay, well, so it's like body lotion, right?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
You want to smell it? You want to test it out?
Yeah. It smells good. It smells like shampoo.
It smells really good. This is the next thing. I'm not going to let you read it. This is what I should have done the whole time. I should have like covered up the names or
It's
something.
just a hair towel.
Yeah.
My sister uses those.
So do I.
Oh,
I need a new one really badly though, so this is actually perfect. I should have done that throughout the whole video though. I should have just like covered up the name or something and just showed it to you and made you guess that way.
Hey, it's not like I'm getting them all right.
Yeah, but you're doing actually really good.
Ooh, is it a lunch bag?
Ooh, is it Kate Spade? In case you guys missed it, I started working at Kate Spade back in April, so this is super cute. What do you think it is?
Well, it says out to lunch, so I'm gonna guess a lunch bag.
Yeah, I thought it was a makeup bag at first though.
I was gonna guess that.
I can use it when you go to work!
And I don't have to bring you stuff. You can take your own things in your lunch bag.
Yeah, it's a lunch box. That's so cute. It has polka dots and it says out to lunch on it. Okay, and then the last thing that came in my box, we're not gonna take it out of the pouch. We're gonna make him guess.
Is it a curling iron?
No!
What is it?
A straightening iron.
Okay, close.
Did I open this with you already?
I don't know.
Were you in the kitchen when my family and I were going through the box? So the last thing that came in the box is this Amika flat iron, which I'm so excited for. Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark. So that's all the product that came in my fall box. As always, they put in like a little magazine, so you can always flip through this and it'll tell you about the products that came in your box, as well as like horoscopes and fun stuff for the different seasons.
Or you can just rely on my explanation and what I said.
Yeah, who needs a magazine when you have Alex's explanation of the products?
Super
like your sleeping
reliable.
liquid, your face cream that exfoliates. And then they also actually have HelloFresh coupons usually, and then other like FabFitFun discount codes. Should I quiz you on other random makeup stuff? Just for the heck of it?
Go for it.
This is the first thing. I'm gonna start covering up the part that's like says what the product is. So what does it say?
Urban Decay All-Nighter?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a spray?
Yes, it's a spray.
Do you spray like if you're going out to hang out with people during the night?
Why would I do that though?
I don't know. It says all-nighter, so I'm thinking you're going to be up all night.
Yeah, so like what would you do with this if you're putting it on before you go out at night? What do you think it does?
It's like perfume.
No, it's not perfume.
What, does it keep your makeup together?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Can I spray you?
No, I don't have makeup on.
Yeah, I know. Sometimes it just feels good. Next thing.
Milk makeup.
Mm-hmm.
Like foundation or whatever? Like,
Nope.
kind of like draw it on yourself? Ah, why'd you do that? Does it make your skin shiny?
Nope.
What is it? Oh, it's like face chapstick.
No, it's a blur stick, so it'll minimize the appearance
Oh.
of pores and use it as a makeup primer. What do you think this is?
Foundation stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
My NARS Tinted Moisturizer.
Cool.
Cube, you're doing really good. What about this guy?
Ooh, my sister has one of those.
Oh, does she?
Calls them eggs or whatever, right? The EOS thingies.
EOS?
Or will the...
Guys, this is an EOS.
Well, the... I don't know, does that help you blend stuff?
Yeah.
Is there a specific name for it?
Yes.
A blender?
It's a beauty blender.
Oh, you can't blend beauty. Beauty just...
Lipstick and my Valentino, my bad.
That's eyeshadow, right?
What? Why would you think this is eyeshadow?
Because.
Really?
You're kidding with me right now.
No?
You shadow your eyes with it, you put on your eyelids.
Shadow your eyes. Yeah, it's eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow? Again?
Mm-mm.
There's different bronzers?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What do you do with bronzers?
You bronze.
Or,
You beauty.
no?
I don't... Oh, you make your skin look a little darker and tan, right?
Well, what was that C word you used earlier?
Contour, right?
Yeah, this is a contour kit. Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed watching Alex kind of go through the fall FabFitFun box and guess on some beauty products. He actually did way better than I thought he was going to, so this video wasn't quite as funny as I thought it was going to be. I'm so excited about my fall FabFitFun box. It's always the best way to kick off new seasons, so make sure you guys go ahead and check them out in case you don't already get the boxes, and make sure to use my discount code so that you can save $10 if you're new. And yeah, let me know what other videos you guys want to see with Alex. I'm so excited about finally having him on my channel, and I've been overwhelmed with all of the feedback from you guys over the last few days, so thank you so much. I love you all. Let us know what other videos you want us to do together, if you want me to keep filming videos with him, of course. I want you guys to quiz your boyfriend or girlfriend or someone that doesn't know much about makeup. I want you to like quiz them on random products and comment what the funniest response that you guys get is. I think that would be really cool. I think that we would have a kick out of the comment section if you guys do that. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. And as always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!
Tassels are in order?
Oh, it's